Good morning, children. Welcome back to Maths online class. Today we are going to discuss about the new chapter Factors and Multiples. Okay, children, now open your classwork and Maths textbook, page number 116, chapter 6 Factors and Multiples.
Today we are going to discuss about the new chapter Factors and Multiples. Okay children, do you know the factors and multiples? Yes or no? Okay, just recall all the factors and multiples. See the first one, factors. Each of two numbers multiplied together to give a product is called a factor of that product. See here, each of two numbers. For example, here we are taking two numbers, 4 and 6. Two numbers now, so we are taking two numbers. What are the two numbers here? 4 and 6. Multiplied together. If we multiply these two numbers, what we will get? Multiply means multiplication of children. 4 into 6 is equals to how much? 4 6 are 24. See here, multiply together to give a product. To give a product. This is the product. Product means answer. Product means what is a product? Answer. Is called a factor of that product. This is the factor of these two numbers. Okay children, this is the factor of these two numbers. Factor means what? Factor means each of two numbers. Each of two numbers. See here, this is the two numbers multiplied together. Multiplied together means we have to multiply these two numbers. What we will get? We get the product. Product means here is the answer. Now this is the product. Two methods to find out the factors. One is the multiplication method and the second one is the division method. What are the methods here? Two methods are there. What are they? Multiplication method and division method. First, we are going to discuss about the using multiplication method. The first one is using multiplication method. First, we are going to discuss about the multiplication method. For example, in this we are taking the number, find the factor of 28. Children, listen carefully now. Factors and numbers are very important. In previous class also we discussed in 4th class and here in 5th class also factors are there. 6th class, 7th class, in higher classes also factors are very important. Listen carefully now. Find the factors of 28. Here we are using the number 28. Which method we are using here? Multiplication method. Here we are using multiplication method to find out the factor of 28. See here, multiplication method means multiplication here we are doing. But the product is 28 only. See the solution. In one table, 28 is there or not there? Children tell, in one table, 28 is there or not there? Yes, is there. 1 into 28 is equals to 28. 128 is 28. Next, in two table, 28 is there or not there? We have to check through the division. 28, 2. 2 ones are 2. And next here we are taking the down 8. In 2 table 8 is there or not there? Yes. 4s are 8. The remainder is 0. How many times 28 is multiplied? 14 times. Now here we have to write 14. 2 14s are how much? 28. Again in 3 table 28 is there or not there? Again we have to do the division. 28 by using 3. In 3 table 28 is there or not there? Tell how many times? Tell ma, in 3 table 28 is there or not there? Not there. 3 9s are 27. 28 minus 27 means what is the remainder here? 1 is the remainder. So here we have the remainder. Now see here 28 is not there now. That's why in 3 table 28 is not there. So 3 is the not factor of 28. Again we are going to 4. in fourth table 28 is there or not there? See children, 28. In which table? Fourth table. Tell in fourth table 28 is there or not there? Yes. 7s are 28. The remainder is 0. So here we have to write this number here. 4 7s are 28. Now see children, what we are finding here? Find the factors of 28, no? So see here, find the factors of 28. Now here we have to write the number 28. At first we have to write the number 28. After completing the 28, what are the factors here children? First, see, this is a factor or not? No, this is not a factor. So we have to cancel this number. See here, what are the factors here? 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. See here, first we have to go through the line like this. 1, 2, 4. Right here, 1, 2, 4. After completing the 4, again see this number. What is this number? 7, no? 7, 14, 28. Like this we have to write. 7, 14, 28. 7, 14, 28. See children, what are the factors of 28? 1, 2, 4 and again 7, 14, 28. By using multiplication method, we are finding the factor of 28. Did you understand children how to find out the factors by using multiplication method? Okay. Next, the second one is division method. Using division method. Here also we are taking the number. Find the factors of 28. Here also we are taking the number 28. Using division method, we are taking the factor which number? 28. See the solution now. First we have to write the number 28. First which number we have to write? 28 divided by 1 is equals to how much? Here we have to write the quotient. Okay, now see the number 28. 1. How many times the number will be divisible? 28 times, no? See here, 1 2 is 2, next 8. 8 is 8. So 28 here. And next, 28 divided by 2. And again, which number we have to take division? By 2. 28. 2 ones are 2. Again, we have to take 8 as down. How many times? 4s are 8. The remainder is 0, no? So here 14. Here we have to write the 14. And next 28 divided by 3. In factors of using multiplication method also I told, no? Yes, like that only we have to check the numbers. 28 divided by 3. So in 3 table 28 is there or not there? How many times? Not there. 9s are 27. The remainder is 1. Remainder is there means we have right or not right? No, the number is not there. Again 28 divided by 4. Again which number we have to take? 4. 4, 28. How many times the number will divide? 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. Which number here we have to write? 7. Now see children, what are the factors of 28? First we have to write 28 equals to, I already told now like this we have to go. The number 3 is not there. See here, like this means, what are the first number? 1. And the second one is 2. And third one is 4. Again 7. Next 14. 28. Okay. See children, the factors 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28 by using the division method. Properties of factors. See in your textbooks, what is this? Properties of factors. 1 is the factor of all the numbers. See Nana, what is this here? What is the statement? 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Here 1 is the factor, common factor for all the numbers. We can divide any number with 1 without leaving any remainder. So 1 is the factor of all the numbers. It is also the smallest factor of the number. Now children, here what is the smallest factor of the number? Very good. 1 is the smallest factor of number. And again, see here, 1 is the factor of all the numbers. And enti 1 tone మనం ఏ నెంబర్ నైనా ఫ్యాక్టర్ డివిజన్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, హియర్ we are taking the number 18. If we are dividing the 18 by 1 means what we get the quotient here? Again we get the quotient 18 only. Here what Nana? If we divide a number by 1 means the number itself only. The quotient is the number itself. Again the remainder is nothing is there Nana. Okay na? Now see the second point. Every non-zero number is a factor of itself. Every non-zero number is a factor of itself. We can divide any number with itself, getting the answer as 1 without leaving any remainder. It is also the greatest factor of the number. Now here the smallest factor is 1. The smallest factor of the number is 1. Again, once see here the example, 18 divided by 18 is equals to 1. We are taking the number 18 and also here we are dividing the number itself only. What is the number here? 18. So here what is the quotient Nana? In 18 table 18 is there or not there? Yeah, is there. How many times? Only one time is there. So ఇక్కడ మనం డివిజన్ దగ్గర 2 నెంబర్స్ సేమ్ గా తీసుకుంటే మనకి కోషంట్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 1 ఓన్లీ. ఓకేనా? Okay, next third one. Every number has itself 2 factors, 1 and itself. So here what are the one statement? Every number has at least 2 factors. At least 2 factors ఉంటాయంట ఏ నెంబర్ కైనా. So what are the 2 factors? 1 and itself. For example, we are taking here the number 11. 11 has 2 factors. How many factors has 11? 2 factors have. So what are that? 1 and 11. 1 and 11. For example, again I am taking here the number 12. 12 means what are the factors are there? 1 and 12. అంటే మనం ఇక్కడ ఏ నెంబర్ తీసుకుంటామో ఏ నెంబర్ నైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ మనం తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ గా మనకి ఏం ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ వస్తాయి? అండ్ హియర్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్స్? 1 and 12. అంటే మనం ఏ నెంబర్ తీసుకున్నా కానీ 1తో పాటు సేమ్ ఆ నెంబర్ కూడా ఫ్యాక్టర్గా ఉంటాయన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? నౌ కమింగ్ టు ద fourth point. Factor of non-zero numbers is either less or equal to the number. Non-zero factors తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో less or equal to the number గా ఉంటాయి. So here what are the factors? Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So here non-zero factor means what? సేమ్ యాస్టిస్ గా అదే నెంబర్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. ఇక్కడ నాన్ జీరో నెంబర్ ఈజ్ అ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ అని చూడండి. ఎవ్రీ నాన్ జీరో ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఈజ్ అ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. సో ఇలా నెంబర్స్ కాకుండా వేరే మనం ఏ నెంబర్ తీసుకున్నా కానీ మనకి అక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అనేది వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అనేవి వస్తాయి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, every non-zero number is a factor of 0. Here every non-zero number is a factor of 0. For example, here we are taking the 0 divided by 1. మనము ఏ నెంబర్తోనైనా కానీ 0ని డివిజన్ చేస్తే మనకి ఎంత వస్తుంది కోషియంట్? ఇక్కడ వెరీ గుడ్ 0నే వస్తుంది అనమాట. సో హియర్ 0 డివైడెడ్ బై 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి 0 డివైడెడ్ బై 6 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ నానా. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 1తోని మనము ఏ నెంబర్ని డివిజన్ చేసినా కానీ సేమ్ ఇక్కడ మనం ఏ నెంబర్ తీసుకుంటామో ఆ నెంబరే మనకి కోషియంట్ వస్తుంది. అదే కనుక 2 నెంబర్స్ని ఇక్కడ సేమ్ డివిజన్ చేసామనుకో 1 అనేది మనకి కోషియంట్ వస్తుంది. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏ నెంబర్కైనా కానీ ఏం ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటాయి? మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్గా 2 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఏమేం ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటాయి? 1తో పాటు సేమ్ మనం ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్న నెంబర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్గా ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్.
Multiples. Factors and multiples of a number are related to each other. Both the factors and multiples are related to each other. Next, multiples of the number are obtained by multiplying that number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
and so on. Multiplying the number obtained by multiplying the number. See the example. Find the multiples of 2. Find the multiples of 2. For example, we are taking the number 2. What are the multiples of 2 mean? Just like we have to write the 2 table. See the number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. See, these are the multiples of 2. 2 ones are 2. And next, 2 twos are 4. Next, 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. See these numbers, children. Again, find the multiples of 2 means just we have to write the 2 table. Just we have to write which one? 2 table. See here, the first one is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. See the one more example. Find the multiples of 5. We are taking the number here 5. What are the multiples of 5, children? Tell. Yes. 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Here I am writing only the 5 multiples of 5. 5, how we will get it? 5 into 1 is equals to 5. Next, 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 5, 25. See the 5 multiples, children? Find the multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay, children? Simply we have to write the 5 table. Multiples of 5 means we have to write the 5 table. Here also, find the multiples of 2. Just we have to write the 2 table. See, like this we have to write the 2 table.
Properties of multiples. We already discussed the properties of factors. Now we are going to discuss about the properties of multiples. See here, children, the first one is every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. The number when multiplied by 1 give the number itself. When the number multiplied by 1, if the number is multiplied by 1, give the number itself. See here the example. For example, 12 into 1. We are multiplying the number with 1. What is the given number? 12, no? That 12 is the answer only. And next, see here, 112 into 1 equals to 112 only. We are taking the number as 112 and again we are going to multiply the number with 1. What is the answer? Given number is itself only. The given number is itself means the number also 112 only. Second property. Every number is multiply of 1. Every number is multiply of which number? S. Every number is multiply of 1. Next. Third one. Every multiply of a number other than itself is greater than the number. Every multiple of a number is other than itself is greater than the number. If we are taking the two numbers, no? Yes, the number is greater than these two numbers. The number is greater than the two numbers. 12 into 1 is equals to 12 ones. What is the number? 12 only. Here see, 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. Here what we are writing? Yes, 12 table. Already I told in multiplication example, no? What we have to write? We are taking the number means that number table is there, no? Yes, we have to write the, just we have to write the table. Next, 0 is a multiple of all non-zero numbers. 0 when multiplied by any number, the answer is 0. If we multiply 0 with any number, what is the answer? The answer is 0. See here example, 12 into 0 is equals to 0. 12 zeros are 0.
Next, 112 into 0 is equals to how much? 0 only. If we multiply 0 with any number, the answer is 0. See here, 1212 into 0. What is the answer? The answer here also 0. Next, 1 is the multiple of only one number, that is 1. What is the multiple of only 1? Yes, the number is 1. Next, the first multiple of a number is the number itself. The first multiple of a number is the number itself. If we are taking the multiples of a number, no, yes, the first number is that itself only. First multiple of 12 is, what is the first multiple of 12? 12 ones are 12. If you are taking the 2 means, if you are taking the multiple 2 means, what is the first multiple? 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Again, if we are taking 3 means, 3 into 1 is equals to 3. The answer is number itself only. The first multiple of a number is the number itself. Okay, children?
Children, open your textbooks, page number 117.
Now see children, first one, find all the factors of these. We have to find these numbers, find out the factors. For this the first one 40. We have to find out the factors now. So, in one table 40 is multiplied or not? Yes. 40 is multiplied. 1 into 40 is equals to 40. In 2 table, again we have to check the division. 40 in 2 table. See children, how many times 4 are there in 2 table? 2 is a 40, that's 0. Again we have to keep 0 here. Why? Because here 0 is there, no? That's why we have to keep 0 here also. 2 20s are 40. Here we have to write 20 is equals to 40. Next, in 3 table. In 3 table, 40 is there or not there? Again we have to check the division. By using division we have to check. 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Again we have to take the number here down. How many times 10 is divisible or not? No. 3 3s are 9. Remainder 1. So, is this number is divisible? No. And next, this number are not divisible. In 4 table. In 4 table, 40 is there or not there? In 4 table. See children, in 4 table, 40 is there or not there? 4 ones are 4. Here 0. So, here also we have to keep 0. Okay, how many times? In 4 table, how many times 40 is there? 10 times. So, here we have to write 10 is equals to 40. In 5 table. In 5 table, 40 is there or not there? Yes, in 5 table, 40 is there. See children, 5, 40. How many times? Yes, 8s are 40. So, which number here we have to write? 8. 5 8s are 40. Children, see this number is not there. Why? Because remainder is there, no? Remainder 1 is there. That's why we have to not writing this number. This number is not there. See here, what are the factors of 40 here? 40 equals to, first we have to draw this line. It is very easy to find out the factors here. 1, 2, 4, 5. See the factors 1, 2 and 4, 5. Right here 1, 2, here 4 and 5. After completing the 5, again what are the factors here? 8, 10, 20, 40. See children, 8, 10, 20, 40. 8, and next one is 10, 20 and last one is 40. What are the factors of 40? 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40 are the factors of number 40. And next, what is the second one? 51. Second one, 51. Here we have to find out the factors of 51. In one table, 51 is divisible by 51 times only. It is common number. 1 into 51 is equals to 51. ప్రతిసారి కూడా ఫస్ట్ రాసేటప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే 1 టేబుల్తో ఎవ్రీ నెంబర్ డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సో 1 ఇంటూ ఇక్కడ ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే ఉంటుందో ఆ నెంబర్ ఖచ్చితంగా వేసుకోవాలి. 1 into 51 is equals to 51. Okay children, next see the second one. 2 table. In 2 table 51 is there or not there? Once check, afterwards we will write here, otherwise we will confuse. So in 2 table 51 is there or not there children? Check. 2 table 5 is there or not there? Not there. So we have to take the before number. 2 2s are 4. 1. Again we have to take the number. Okay, borrow. 5 is 10. Here remainder is there or not there? Yes, remainder is there. That's why in 2 table 51 is not there. Again take the next number. In 3 table. In 3 table 51 is there or not there? We will check. In 3 table 51. See here, in 3 table 5 is there? Not there. So we have to take the small number. Small number we have to take. 3 1s are 3. Again 5 minus 2 is equals to how much? 2. And here we have to take the number down. 21. In 3 table 21 is there or not there children? Tell the 3 table. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. So here 3 7s are 21. 7s are 21. What is the remainder here? 0. So here we have to write the number 17. 3 7s are 51. 3 17s are 51. Okay children, next see the fourth one. Fourth table we have to check. Fourth table. Fourth table 5 is there or not there? Not there. So we have to take the small number. What is the small number in fourth table? 1s are 4. Again here 1 1. See children, in fourth table 11 is there or not there? Not there. So 2s are 8. 11 minus 8 is equals to how much? After 8, how much numbers are there to get the 11? 8, 9, 10, 11. How many numbers are there? 3 numbers. So here the remainder is 3. See children, here in fourth table also 51 is not divisible. Here see, only these are the factors of 51. Only these 4 are the factors of 51. 51 is equals to, what are the factors? 10, 1, 3, here 70 and here 51. See children, what are the factors of 51? 1, 3, 70, 51 are the factors of 51. Write 4 multiples of the following numbers. Here we have to write only the 4 multiples. See what is the number here? The first one is 7. What is the question? Write 4 multiples of the following number. How many multiples we have to write? Only 4 multiples. 7. First we have to write the first one 7. Multiples of 7 equals to, what are the multiples of 7? What I told is just we have to write the 7 table. 7, 14, 21, 28. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the question here? 4 multiples now. That's why here we have to write only the 4. See here, 7 into 1 equals to 7. Next, 7 into 2. 7 into 2 equals to 14. 7 into 3. 7 into 3 equals to how much? 21. Next, 7 into 4. 7 into 4 equals to 28. What are the multiples of 7 children here? 7, 14, 21 and 28 are the multiples of 7. Next see, what is the next question? 9. Next one is 9. Next see here, multiples of 9 equals to. What I told? Just write the 9 table now. Yes, right. 9, 18, 27 and 36. How many multiples? Only 4 now. That's why I am writing only 4 here. See, 9, 18, 27, 36. 9 into 1 is equals to 9. 9 into 2 is equals to 18. 9 into 3 is equals to 27. 9 into 4 is equals to 36. Now tell multiples of 9 is equals to, what are the multiples? 9, 18, 27 and 36 are the multiples of 9. Okay children, just only write the 9 table. Here also write only 7 table.
Children must and should complete your class works and send it to my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubts, call me. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you.